Yun, kapapasok lang ng balita, guys. So, yung Best in National Costume sa Miss Universe 2023 napunta kay Michelle D. So, naisip ko lang, feeling ko ito yung kumakalat, right? Yung nagtitrending na video na akala natin siya yung magiging bagong national director ng Miss Universe Philippines. Dahil nga, dun sa video na yun, na-capture na parang sinabi, may nagsabi na, oh, siya na yung, parang siya na yung magiging ganon, something. Tapos kinat na ni Michelle D na wag daw muna maingay. So feeling ko ito na yon. Siya yung best in national costume at hindi yung siya yung magiging bagong national director or kung ano-ano man yung kumakalat, right, sa social media. So this is good that Michelle D is awarded best in national costume, another award for her, another award for us, the Filipinos, the Philippines. Pero hindi ko alam kung anong mararamdaman ko pa rin eh. Parang lalo kong naramdaman yung mahirap mag-move on. Parang lalo tayong mahihirapang mag-move on kasi with this award, parang another reason na dapat, alam mo yon, nandun siya sa top 5. I know naman that the qualification or the basis for you to be part of the top 5 is yung long gown competition, no? Pero yun nga, the long gown itself, yung long gown na sinuot niya, the way it was executed, the way it was delivered or it was shown, it was carried by Michelle D. Talagang hirap makamove on. Sobrang napakahirap mag-move on. Kasi sobrang sayang eh. Kung nandun siya sa top 5, talagang 99% siya yung magiging Miss Universe for 2023. But then again, congratulations Michelle D. Congratulations Philippines. Ayun nga pala, na-refund ko na yung ginastos ko sa pagboboto. So if you guys also voted, refund nyo na lang din. I don't know. Basta ako, ginawa ko, na-refund ko na kasi parang wala rin eh.